Welcome to the Weather Center. It's days like this that Cape Townians wish that they lived in Johannesburg. Winter continues to grip the southwestern Cape. You can see cloud cover and even the possibility of light raindrops exists overnight. Small chance of rain near the Durban coast, otherwise fine and dry across the central interior from Bloemfontein to Johannesburg, but just north of Gauteng. Across the Limpopo province, we have a few isolated thunderstorms that will be ongoing overnight as well. Now, Johannesburg, you'll get to enjoy the warm weather, just like we saw this past weekend. Temperatures in the upper 20s and lower 30s through the majority of your work week. But look what happens as we enter Friday and Saturday. There is a major storm system set to impact the country that will drastically cool your temperatures. But you can't exactly see that on our FutureCast map. The time frame doesn't go out that far, so we'll talk about the most important day. That is Tuesday. We have a series of cold fronts that will continue to bring light rain to the southwestern Cape. Isolated thunderstorms for the western bushveld of Limpopo, otherwise sunshine remains across the central interior. Warm temperatures for KwaZulu-Natal and a very nice day predicted across the eastern Cape. By the way, the South African Weather Service has issued one weather alert. This is a warning for a high fire danger for the interior of the eastern Cape. Runaway fires are possible this Tuesday across that region. Stunning day predicted for the KwaZulu-Natal province. 29 near Richards Bay, 30 degrees for Pietermaritzburg, upper 20s for Durban with sunshine overhead. Dry weather if you're traveling north or southbound along the N2. Sunny skies from Tata to East London as well as Grahamstown. Slightly cooler weather if you're located along the south coast. Port Elizabeth 22, Plet matching that same daytime high. We'll call it partly sunny near George, 20 degrees for you, but we have included a chance of showers from Bredasdorp to Hermanus, Robertson, Cape Town, Worcester and Longabon once again this Tuesday. We should stay dry along the west coast with sunshine overhead near Springbok and Alexander Bay. Dry day predicted from Uppington to Prieska, Postmasburg and Kimberley. We have fine weather for the central parts of South Africa as well. Bloemfontein in the upper 20s, nearing 30 degrees for Welkom. Blue skies overhead across the entire northwest province, so a dry day awaits you from Mahikeng to Ventersdorp as well as Potchefstroom. But I mentioned earlier in this broadcast that we have the possibility of isolated thunderstorms for the western bushveld of Limpopo, similar to what we experienced on Monday across that region. Mpumalanga stays dry, a bit of cloud near Mbombela, 29, Secunda at 30, Amalahleni 31. Johannesburg, you'll reach 30 degrees, 32 for Pretoria. A lovely Tuesday forecast across the Gauteng province. Cross-shore winds along the east coast. We have a moderate to fresh northwester predicted near Cape Town. Here's your extended outlook. Cool and wet weather along the southern Cape, but still warm to hot across the northern half. By Thursday, we prepare ourselves for a major storm to impact the country. That's all from me. Have a good one.
News that moves. eNCA.com.